Feeling a little lost in the Web3? Trust me, you are not the only one. For most people, the biggest barrier isn't curiosity, it's complexity. And that's the number one reason why people quit before they even begin. At Meta Earth, we believe the solution isn't just hype, it's education. And that is exactly why we built the ME Academy. You see, most projects focus on attracting users, but they forget one truth. An uninformed user will always be a lost user. It's like being dropped in a new city with no map or no street signs. We are changing that. Our strategy is simple. We are not looking for speculators. We are looking for builders. The ME Academy is our pipeline for decentralized talent. We break down really complex topics into simple modular courses and crystal clear guides. This isn't about memorizing jargon. It's about turning knowledge into real-world skills. And we designed it all around one core idea: me, my way. You learn at your own pace, in your own language, on your own path. But we don't just stop at learning, we connect that learning directly to action. So, right after you learn about the identity system, we guide you to create your very own Me ID. When you understand the governance, we show you exactly how to vote, because the goal isn't more visitors, it's more contributors. We are turning curious newcomers into confident participants, because an informed community, it is an empowered community, and that is the strongest mode any project can build. So, stop being a spectator. It's time to start your journey to becoming a Web3 builder today. Explore the Me Academy and download the Me Pass app to get started. Don't worry, the links are right here in the description for you. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Meta Earth.